so today we're going to show you the badge variations that we've got. So obviously you can see on the comp it's like a grey matte colour, but you can also see it's gone a bit discoloured, so obviously it doesn't look the best. So we do these, so we do them in gloss black, matte black and carbon look, and also the same variations in the full badge. So if you have the full badge, obviously you can put your own coloured sticker on it, gel, etc. So that's the reason we do that. So today we're going to fit the gloss one onto this. So as always, addition primer. Don't get this on anything non-shiny because it'll leave a mark, so obviously be careful when you're rubbing it. So basically just where the glue is, just going to rub around and let that go off. So just all the way around the edge like that, and you can see it'll just evaporate off. We'll get rid of that. The fiddliest bit is peeling all this tape. So obviously you can see it's all the way around. I've pre-peeled that just to make it look good for the video. So we'll do that. Didn't do this bit the best, so bear with me. So then it's just a case of getting that lined up perfectly on there. Good press down all the way around. And there you go. So you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Like I say, there's loads of variations, so you can personalise your own car. Loads more videos on there of Abarth stuff, so have a look. And there you go.